What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Double Up with Astro. And today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I wanted to show you a strategy that I just had came across, and it's a program that really helped me out tremendously. And this is a platform that can help you to surf through different traffic exchange tabs more faster, and it could just take the time consuming away from just clicking on different traffic exchanges to get credits for your opportunities. And it is called Quick Tab Change, and I have came across this platform about not too long ago, this past weekend. It really did help me. And I was looking for something like this in the past, but couldn't find it. But this, I guess this, I don't know how long this has been out, but it's really helped me since I had started using this. And you could use this as well. This could really take the time down from clicking traffic exchanges through each tab, and it's just very time consuming and tedious for those who got lots of traffic exchanges that they are part of, and they use it to get their credits for their opportunities. So this is where quick change comes into play. And how you use this is by, you can use this and you can have hotkeys that they have. I'm gonna show you here what I mean with the hotkeys. Okay. As soon as I get through my tab here, I'm gonna click. I know I've got like 2 tabs what I use. Okay, now you see this right here. Now this is the quick tab change directory, where you can be able to set which keys that you want to use to go through these traffic exchanges. Now if you see at the top of my toolbar, you can see where I have all my traffic exchanges already set up. Okay, and so when I'm gonna use the tab feature. I'm gonna just use the tab feature what I mean. And you go to click on set hotkey. So now with the tab button that's on my keyboard, I can go through the tabs very fast. And I don't have to worry about scrolling just to click and all that good stuff. It just takes a lot of time, just scrolling up. So what I would do I would just leave my mouse right here in this spot where I know that my where I gotta click on the different pictures to get my credits. So I can just click there, hit the tab again, click here, hit the tab again. You see what I'm saying? And I'm going through all the traffic exchanges in a quick, efficient way. And you can use anything you want, any button you want to go through all the traffic exchanges. And it's very helpful and very handy. So if you're a marketer that's using lots of traffic exchanges to go through to get credits, this could be a fast and an effective way that you can use this program. And they also have an affiliate program where you could be able to use this and you could promote this. And this site is for free. It's free to start up. There is an upgrade in order to remarket this thing, but you could just use this for free to use it for your own self and something that you can use to get traffic to your traffic exchanges more faster. So that's what I really wanted to show you, just a quick review of quick tab change and how you can use it to surf through traffic exchanges tabs more quickly and efficient. All right, so that's it for today. This is Double Up with Astro. Also, hit that like and subscribe button to this video. Leave your comments below if you feel like this video done some great to you. Just make sure you hit me up on social media if you have any questions, and I'll definitely get back in touch with you. All right, this is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.